Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to create Shopify abandoned cart emails. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Alright, so what you need to do is first of all head over to your products section, and here you will be able to see actually your orders section. So once you head over to your orders section, you can see we have this particular section called abandoned checkout. So currently there is no abandoned checkouts because my store is new and no activity has been monitored inside abandoned checkouts. So once they do, they will be displayed in here and you will be able to create them from here. Now if you want to create it, what you can do is simply head over to your online store, and then you need to simply check out a product. So let's just click on this product and click on add to cart and click on checkout. Now hopefully the information should be added. So once you add your information, contact delivery, make sure that you enter your email address and just leave it for around 10 minutes. Once you do that, it is going to be automatically be added as an abandoned cart. So that's how you can create Shopify abandoned cart emails. I hope this was helpful and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.